Unlocking Wheat Secrets, Genomics for Yellow Rust Resistance. The exploration of genomics has led to the identification of exceptional alleles and genes that confer resistance to yellow rust in wheat, a significant threat to global food security. Data availability. The raw sequencing data for whole genome sequencing, WGS, and RNA sequencing, RNA-seq, presented in this study have been archived in the National Center for Biotechnology Information, CBI, under project numbers PRJNA 125391 and PRJNA 125661. These datasets are publicly accessible at the NCBI website. Additionally, the data has been stored in the Genome Sequence Archive at the National Genomics Data Center, which is part of the China National Center for Bioinformation and the Beijing Institute of Genomics, Chinese Academy of Sciences. The specific accessions include CRA 004322, CRA 014998, CRA 005878, and CRA 21484, all of which can be found on the NGDC website. Furthermore, genotype data in variant call format, VCF, can be accessed under the accession number GVM0083. This genotype data is also available through Zenodo. To enhance accessibility and expedite the breeding process for stripe rust resistance, we have created a specialized database. All clone genes, including PQ12656 YR5X, previously known as YR5C, PQ12657 YR6, and PQ12658 Ta-EDR2B are available in the NCBI GenBank. Source data accompanying this paper can be found in the provided references. Code availability. All software utilized in this research is publicly available online, as detailed in the methods section and the reporting summary. References. FAOStat, Crops and Livestock Products, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, accessed 12/2024 today. Hashtagged FAO, hashtag FAOStat.FAOD/N/data. 2. Savariet, the global burden of pathogens and pests on major food crops. Nat Equal Evolution 3 Core 30 2439 2019. Hafiz, a new FAO, creation and judicious application of a wheat resistance gene atlas, Mollaplant 14 1053 5070 2021. 4. Hovmuller, MS, Walter and Justison, AF, Escalating Threat of Wheat Rusts, Science 329 369 2010. 5. Hovmuller, MS, SPAC, T, and Justison, AF, Global Dispersal and Diversity of Rust Fungi in the Context of Plant Health. Current opinion, Microval 71-10243, 2023. 6. Liggings, Global Status of Stripe Rust, and Review of Historical and Current Threats. Uvetica 179, Dirty 129-141, 2011. 7. The Chen X pathogens which threaten food security, Puccinia striiformis, the wheat stripe rust pathogen, FoodSec 12-239-251, 2020. 8. Beto, JMF, Research Investment Implications of Shifts in the Global Geography of Wheat Stripe Rust, Naplans 1-1532, 2015. Bouvet-Lille, FAS Schirm, The Evolving Battle Between Yellow Rust and Wheat, Implications for Global Food Security. Theory, Applegenet, 135, 741-753, 2022. 10. McIntosh, R, Mu, JND, Takang Wheat Stripe Rust Resistance Gene YR24, YR26, a retrospective review. Crop J6, 321-329, 2018. Acknowledgements. We would like to express our gratitude to Professor Cheng-Fa Wang for his invaluable contributions to our resistance breeding efforts. We also extend our thanks to all members of the Plant Immunity Research Team at the State Key Laboratory of Crop Stress Resistance and High Efficiency Production at Northwest A&F University for their insightful comments. Special thanks to M. Wang, Ji Li, W. Guo, Ji Li, and C. Jiang for their constructive suggestions and discussions. We appreciate R. A. McIntosh for his assistance in language editing and proofreading the manuscript. Additionally, we thank Jie Guo, X. Guo, and X. Huang for their help with genetic transformation, and X. Huang, Hugh Zhang, and X. Zhou for conducting RT-qPCR assays and AQP genotyping. We are grateful to H. Zhao and FUN for their support in confocal experiments, and to H. Wang for constructing the genomic DNA library. We also acknowledge J. Tong for sharing critical YRAR resistance QTL information, and J. Du, Y. Peng, L. Zhang, W. Zhang, Z. Shu, Y. Yang, B. Cheng, and Hugh Yao for their assistance in phenotyping. Finally, we thank the high-performance computing platform of Northwest A&F University for providing the necessary computational resources. This research was funded by the National Natural Science Foundation of China and various other grants.